me an Eden that's on the ghost train here. Not sure how much you're actually seeing. But it's all quiet. Not much going on at all, is there, Eden? No. Some barrels there. They do like a good barrel. They do have actors in here some points throughout the year. I'm not sure if they have today. I didn't see any signs. There might be. No vacancies. There we go. The Haunted Hotel. Reminds me of the one that's at Bryson. It was really good. The clown on the bed. That's what you want, isn't it? There's a mummy. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's all flashing. Can I say? Oh, it's a nice light package, isn't it? Yeah, it's all fancy. Flashing. What's going on here? Looks like it's an electric chair, isn't it? I do think they've got a new audio in here. It's quite nice. Some lights, some ladders dangling there.